Hi gel friends! Welcome back to my channel. This is my first ever video for the year 2023 and I'm very excited to share this with you. So for my first ever video, and I hope not the last for this year, I wanted to share with you what I carry inside my bag for the year, for the start of the year 2023. And the bag that I'm currently using is my CELINE Triomphe bag in the size teen. And this is a tiny bag. And I'm size 14, by the way. But I can crossbody this bag comfortably. I have no problem. It hits me a little high than the usual crossbody that I own. Pero it's okay lang naman. I don't mind. So this is the bag. And I won't go through details or the features of this bag because I've seen a lot of videos that they're reviewing their bag and unboxing this bag, and wala pa ako masyadong nakikita na what's inside my bag using this CELINE Triomphe. I think this bag is super classy and I think okay siya na magkaroon sa collection if you collect bags and if you love CELINE. I love CELINE, but in particular, I just fell in love with the Triomphe bag because it's classy, elegant, simple, although the logo is screaming, but still very discreet, right? It's one of those bags that you know when you know. Kasi hindi naman everybody knows the logo of CELINE. Yeah, I think lang naman. But yes, it's very pretty and the leather is so smooth. So far, so good. I've been using this bag and I'm not babying it at all. The only problem that I have was that it was raining. Hold on, nahihingal ako. It was raining this week and feeling ko, actually hindi ko feeling, nakita ko that my hand was wet and then when I touched it, medyo may fingerprint and white siya na nag-remain. Nilinis ko lang siya kanina. But, yun lang naman. Yun lang naman yung nakita kong con ng bag na to. But, I love it. And, without further ado, let's get into the video proper. Sabi ko nga, this is a what's inside my bag video. Ay! Ayun, sumabit yung blouse ko. So, when you open this bag, you just press this side. Ayan. And here, you have the CELINE logo. Here, it says CELINE Paris. Ayan o, diba? Nakita nyo ba? Kasi pinunasan ko siya eh. So, bago ko gawin yung video. So, pinunasan ko siya ng leather conditioner. Kaya hindi even, I use this. Hindi even yung color. But, hindi ko kasi binuksan. Teka nga, nababother ako. Ayan. Sana pantay na. Syung-syung ako talaga. So, okay. So, this is what's inside my bag. Ayan. And, I'll start pulling them out. But first, I want to quickly show you how many compartments this bag has. Dito sa front, meron siyang isa na slim lang. And then, the major compartment is right here. Medyo thick siya, ganyan. And, talagang mas tough mo tong bag na to kasi ang soft ng leather. And then, there's another zipper compartment here. And then, another compartment here sa likod. And then, meron siyang slit pocket. And dito, may nakasulat na Triomphe. So, ayun. So, let's begin. I have my Lululemon mask. Actually, I try not to use mask na outside. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga tao, hindi naman sila nagsusuot ng mask, hindi naman sila nagkakasakit. Tapos ako, nagkakasakit. Tapos lagi ako nakamask, naka-KN95 pa ako. But of course, kapag indoor, tapos madaming tao, hindi pa din ako comfortable na walang mask. And then I have this Bath and Body Works Shea Butter Hand Cream. I have the skinniest hand sanitizer para hindi bulky dahil nga maliit lang yung bag. So, I chose this one dahil skinny siya. Ayun lang naman. And then, I have my Charlotte Tilbury First Dance lipstick. This is what I'm currently wearing right now. For me, this is an MLBB para sa lips ko. And then, I have my super cute nito. This is my Loewe. If I'm pronouncing that right. Wag niyo akong i-bash. Coin purse ata to. But I put my keys in here. So, ayan, napaka-discreet lang nung kanyang logo dito sa middle. And then, yung zipper pull niya, ayan. I didn't purchase this brand new. I purchased this one pre-owned na sa Japan. If you wanna know kung saan ako nag-purchase na live selling page, I'm gonna link his page down below. Christian, parang nakalimutan ko na yung name. Pero he's very nice and magaganda. Yan yung key. Magaganda yung mga items niya. So, yeah. And I like the color, purple. Diba? Tapos ang cute-cute nito. Actually, Loewe is growing on me. I'm not sure if I'll purchase one bag. If I'm gonna purchase one bag from Loewe, definitely yung puzzle bag yun dahil wala lang. And then I have my wallet. This is the Chanel Classic flap. Ano ba to? Card case. Yan siya. Yung walang bulsa sa likod. Walang pocket sa likod. Ano lang siya, plain. And then lastly is my Mugler Alien perfume. Yung maliit lang siya and sobrang kasyang-kasya siya dito sa aking bag with all the others na pinakita ko kanina. Kaya love ko tong bag na to kasi favorite perfume ko to ngayon. And this was gifted by the boyfriend. And sobrang bango niya. And it's so convenient na fit siya sa loob ng bag. And then, wala nang anything inside. I think, dito sa front pocket, I have a random Costco receipt and the Angel Mugler paper when I tried the perfume. And until now, meron pa din siyang amoy. So, talagang binili ko siya. Binili pala niya. Hindi pala ako. And then, it's empty. Yun lang. Wala naman akong nilalagay sa zipper pocket. And then sa back, wala. Because they're so skinny. And I have everything in the middle compartment. And yun lang naman yung kailangan kong dalhin. If you're gonna ask kung anong kasya, a medium-size wallet will definitely fit in here. But I'm not sure about the full-size or the long-size wallet. Pro Max phone fits perfectly, and I'm using a bulky case. This is the OtterBox, and it fits perfectly with a lot of room to spare. So if you're just using a card holder, wala kayong magiging problema. If you're using the Pro Max, I have the Prada mini makeup case, makeup pouch, and it fits perfectly. And with a little bit of room. So it might look like a tiny bag, but it fits a lot. That's why I love this bag. And I think the Triomphe collection will be a staple or will be a classic piece na hindi siya mawawala. And it's very comparable to my Constance. Ayan. Medyo parehong, hindi ko masasabing parehong-pareho sila. But the logo, diba? And I fit a lot more dito sa Constance ko, but love ko to. Kasi ito nako-crossbody ko. Ito, hindi ko siya nako-crossbody. Nasa shoulder bag ko lang siya. Ayan. But it's okay. I still love this. Also, I want to quickly share with you the bags that I used last year. So, first, my Goyard Mini Anju. Sobrang love na love ko to. Lalo na nung bandang pa-fall. Sobrang nakakaaliw siyang dalhin. Para siyang lola bag. Pero, ewan ko. Basta ang cute niya. And mine is the black brown. Ayan. I love it. Super. And also, I used to the max my Hermes Lindy. Ayan. Isa din to sa mga talagang nagamit ko last year ng sobra-sobra. And it's so comfortable. Gusto ko yung Chloe ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Chloe Romy bag. Is that Chloe or Celine? Celine ata. Celine Romy bag. Yung parang siyang ganito din. Pero nasa top yung kanyang zipper. I really, really love that bag. But then again, I look at this bag and I told myself, you don't need it. Dahil you have naman the Lindy. And it's like almost the same. Eh, ayun. Hindi ko na siya binili. Hindi ko na siya masyadong tinignan. Dahil papapahamak lang ako. And last bag is the magulo. Kasi gamit ko siya. Is my Hermes Gypsy. Ito yung gamit ko. Gagamitin ko today. Dahil yung aking itong Triomphe, this is just my errands bag. Ito, I can fit more. And yeah. Ayun. Those are the bags. And also, my Constance. Yung pinakita ko kanina. This one. And then, I use this bag to the max last year. So, ayun lang guys. Yun yung mga bags na ginamit ko and still ginagamit ko up to date. Ano pa ba? Happy New Year to everyone. And thank you so much for clicking and watching this video up to this end. I will be including what boyfriend got me for Christmas because he wanted me to film it while I'm opening it. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero yeah. So I'll be including those clips in this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, click the like button, and comment down below. Bye guys! Happy New Year! Love you, ciao friends! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be opening my boyfriend's gift for me for Christmas. For some reason, he just wants me to make a video out of it. So this is his gift. It's as big as me. So let's open it. He said, make a video when you open your gift. And as a good girlfriend, here it is. Let's just stuff it with lots of paper. It's big. It's not a perfume. And he wrapped it really nice. And here, right, he wrote, so sisirain ko na yung gift niya. I mean, yung wrapping. Ano kaya ito? Bakit kaya sobrang pinapa-video na sa akin at kailangan? Kailangan daw, di ba, sinisira? Oh, I opened it upside down. So there's another. Aray. So this is the gift. Okay, it's from Chanel. I can see from the ribbon. The gel. Happy holiday. Merry Christmas. Oh. That's so nice. I don't want to ruin the wrapping. What's this? It's Chanel number 5 perfume. Nakita ko lang sa ilalim, number 5. So this is the box. CELINE. Thank you, love. With the soap. Ayan. That's what good about luxury names. It's just the experience of unwrapping everything. So it's Chanel No. 5 perfume. Ayan. Nice. That's what I got. And I gifted him a perfume too, and he already opened it. I gifted him. Sorry, I'm coughing. The Acrobat Million. So, yes, we gifted each other perfumes. So that's it for this unboxing video of my Christmas gift from the boyfriend. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.